Hey guys, today on Cooking Up Love, I'm sharing our secret recipes for everyone's favorite dips. We've got the Knorrs Spinach Dip recipe. We mix up the creamy dip and then add some fresh veggies. Our Rotel Queso Dip recipe, which has got sausage, Velveeta, a little cream cheese, and our easy 3-ingredient oven-baked s'more dip recipe for a sweet treat. First up, here's how to make the best Knorrs Spinach Dip recipe. You'll need a package of Knorrs vegetable dip, about 10 ounces of frozen chopped spinach, a can of water chestnuts for a nice crunch, half of an English cucumber, 1 carrot, sour cream, and mayo. The hardest part of this recipe is squeezing all of the water out of the spinach. I like to defrost my spinach in the fridge overnight and then take handfuls of spinach and squeeze out all of the water over the sink. Grate 1 carrot finely and add it to the spinach. Then dice about a half of a cucumber, and I'm using an English cucumber because it has fewer seeds and the taste is less bitter. Slice out the seeds and dice the cucumber, and then add the diced cucumber to the spinach. Drain 1 can of water chestnuts and give them a dice, and then add to the spinach mixture. Mix together the spinach and the vegetables. Then, in a large measuring glass, measure out 1 cup of mayonnaise, and you'll want to use a mayo like Best Foods or Hellmann's. Don't use Miracle Whip here. And if you haven't seen our Houston's spinach artichoke dip recipe, I'll link it up here for you so you can make this amazing hot dip at home. It's really good. Now for the Knorrs vegetable dip seasoning packet. Add this to the mayo and stir it to combine. Then add 1.5 cups of sour cream to the mixture and combine it. And then add all of this to the vegetables and stir the mixture together thoroughly. Start this dip early or even the day before serving it because you'll want to have it chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I've added some scallions on top and serve it with your favorite rolls, chips, or veggies. Next up is our Rotel Queso Dip, made with Velveeta and Rotel, plus some sausage, a little cream cheese and onions, cilantro, a tomato, and I like to drizzle some hot sauce on top. Brown about 8 ounces of the sausage, and that'll be about half. Add about 1/4 cup of diced onions and cook until the onion has softened a bit and there's no pink left in the sausage. Then add 1 can of Rotel tomatoes and green chilies, undrained, and stir this into the sausage mixture. Add 6 ounces of Velveeta American cheese and 2 ounces of cream cheese and stir this together. Heat the mixture over medium heat until the cheese melts. And chop the tomato and cilantro while the queso finishes. We like our queso to be cheesy while still flowing, so my recipe uses about half of the cheese that most Rotel Velveeta queso recipes call for. If you use the original Rotel recipe, give this one a try and let me know which one you like better. This queso will be ready in just about 10 minutes. To serve, I'm topping our Rotel Queso Dip with fresh chopped tomatoes and cilantro and with some hot sauce sprinkled on top. And finally, our oven-baked s'mores dip. These are such a great sweet treat, and it's ready in just about 15 minutes and easily made with just 3 ingredients: marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate. And to drizzle more chocolate on top, you can melt the chips or use melting chips. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease a medium oven-safe dish or skillet with cooking oil or spray, and then start layering in graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate chips. You can use any marshmallows you have on hand. I'm using small and large because marshmallows are our favorite part of s'mores, so we use lots. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes. The marshmallows will begin to turn golden on top. And for more color, you can broil it on low, but watch your marshmallows carefully. Drizzle with melted chocolate if you like and serve. I hope you enjoyed these easy dip recipes and found something to make for your next get-together. And if you did, let me know by hitting the like button, and I'd love to hear what you think when you make something. I've linked up a whole playlist of easy appetizers to make and share at your next party. And we've got new recipes every week. Subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when we've posted the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.